Let's go ahead and talk about it. So Quest home environment may soon get the social capabilities we've been waiting for. So right here, back in October, Meta announced that it would eventually transition its home environment to Horizon Home, giving it a fuller set of social features, being able to invite party members to visit, hang out, or launch into VR apps together, which Oculus Home already does now, but they're trying to bring it to the standalone. It seems we're getting a step closer to the release of those features as Quest 2's recent V37 firmware is hiding a few things. Developer Lubos V released a video showing off some of the hidden features that lurk within V37 of the Quest firmware. Apparently, that a user, I guess this is a Reddit user, I think he leaked some stuff last time, also had a part, Basti564 also had a part in uncovering the hidden features, which is known of the leaking images and models of Project Cambria, the company's in development mixed reality headset, and for having uncovered videos of Quest 2 Space Sense Room Guardian in action before its official launch. So the V37 update is now available on the public test channel for Quest 2. However, the features seen above aren't accessible. In the video, we get a glimpse at tutorial on how to use Horizon Home, room capture, letting you virtually integrate your play space by mapping walls and ceiling, Apple keyboard support, voice assistant, history menu, what appears to be a work in progress social network integration, which is likely be a portal to its Horizon social VR apps or more Facebook integration, just party invites in general and doing all that stuff. So that is pretty cool. The revelation of these hidden features come on the heels of an interview with Digiday, where Meta's VP of Horizon, Sharma, hinted that the company hopes to eventually bring all of its social VR apps, Horizon World, Horizon Venues, and Horizon Workroom together in a more seamless way. Basically just building that umbrella and trying to get it all in. There's no telling how soon we'll see any of that stuff though. Closer integration with its Horizon social apps representing a substantial overhaul certainly sounds like one of those flashy updates Meta typically reserves for events. So I think we're gonna get some firmware updates, as you know, V35 always rolls out. All the V's been rolling out really hefty, especially like the last 6 months before their mainstream explosion this past holidays. So I'm sure we're gonna get stuff in the V37 update. It just depends on what are we gonna get along with that versus an eventual process and on top of Project Cambria. So all of this can be all mixed and everything just going in here in a blending cycle. So we don't know what is what, but we do know we're getting huge updates. Meta previously said it was hosting a gaming showcase early 2022, although it's not certain where it's taking place. Last year's was in April, although GDC 2022 in March may be a better bet. In any case, we'll have our eyes on the Oculus blog. So all in all, this is exactly what I said, right? I think there's some Project Cambria in there. There's some Meta Quest 2 V updates, firmware. And then there's also just some hints and maybe some potential leaks that you'll have to do with still PC. But what I do know what's going on is they're really, really rolling in on that metaverse, trying to really steamroll all those venues together. I mean, they said how many venues are going in? Closer integration with Horizon social apps. Oh, here it is right here. So Horizon Worlds, Horizon Venues, and Horizon Workroom, along with Facebook, Meta, and everything of that. Just any way you can get friends and contacts, they trying to get you in there. So that's pretty cool, man. So y'all got to let me know what y'all are excited for. What looks pretty fresh. I'm excited to hear your insights and details, opinions. Also, feel free to hit us up, man. I appreciate y'all. If you're coming across this video, give us a thumbs up and a like. It really does mean the world. So let's go ahead and get it popping, man. I appreciate y'all. Peace.